we want to evaluate the following. 10 to the power 2 is 10 times 10, which is 100. Note that we have the power 2 and we have 2 zeros. So for 10 to the 4, we would expect to have 4 zeros. So 10 to the power 4 is 10,000. Let's consider 10 to the minus 1. We know that a to the minus n is 1 over a to the power n. So 10 to the minus 1 is 1 over 10, 1/10, which we know that we can write as a decimal as 0.1. So we could either write this as a fraction or as a decimal. 10 to the minus 3 is 1 over 10 cubed using the index law above, which is 1 over 1,000. We could write this as a decimal as 0.001. Note here, with 10 squared we had 2 zeros. 10 to the 4 gave us 4 zeros. If we consider the negative indices, minus 1 gives us 1 zero if we count the 0 in front of the decimal point. And for minus 3, we get 3 zeros if we count the 0 in front of the decimal point.